So how many times since your breakup have you thought to yourself, if I could just get my ex back, everything will be all right again? That's the number one goal. Get them back, life will feel good again. But your problems, the reason why you're feeling the way you are, it's nothing to do with your ex. And today, I'm going to explain why. Welcome to the channel. My name's Andy O'Neill. I'm a life coach who specialises in breakups and breakup recovery. So if you're currently struggling after your breakup and you don't know where to turn for support, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. So here's the thing about humans, right? We've all got insecurities. Every single one of us. Now, they vary. Some people have bigger insecurities, some people have ones that are small. But in general, we've all got insecurities. Now, I coach people who struggle to move on after a breakup because I used to be one of those people. Now, a lot of people can go through a breakup, they get a bit hurt, they get a bit down, a bit gutted, heads battered, but after a few days or even a few weeks, they accept it, pick themselves up and move on. And that's great, right? But for a lot of other people, that doesn't happen. We don't move on. We can't. We can't accept that they're gone. We can't accept that we're going to live our life without them. Those are the type of people that I coach. They've all got one thing in common. The breakup has highlighted a major insecurity. An insecurity that, when they were with their ex, it was hidden. Because that validation they got from being with someone helped them mask it, helped them forget about it, helped them hide it. But you take that person away, when that breakup happens, that insecurity comes to the fold, big time. So maybe you've got an insecurity where you think you're ugly, right? But then you meet the girl or boy of your dreams and you get together. Suddenly those feelings of being ugly disappear, right? Because you've got this person who you love with all your heart and they want you as well. Makes you feel good. But then if they leave, that breakup happens. That old insecurity comes back. And it comes back tenfold. And because of that, because we're then forced to face those insecurities after the breakup, we can't. We don't want to. We can't face them. We can't move on. So instead, what we do is to spend all our time hoping, wishing and praying that we can get our ex back. Because if we get them back, those insecurities disappear again. But they never truly go away. They'll always be there under the surface. This is why I always suggest to people who are going through coaching, maybe don't date for a while. Just work on yourself. Because the problem with dating is you end up meeting somebody new and then they just replace your ex. They're just somebody else who's coming along to take your insecurities away. No, instead, spend some time on your own and work on those insecurities. Overcome those insecurities yourself. Now, this is something I did, and I went through a full process of discovering what my insecurities were, what my limiting self-beliefs were, and then I worked on overcoming them. And I did. Now, I'm nothing special. I'm just an average guy who kept getting his head battered every time he went through a breakup. But I did it. So I know you can do it too, and plenty of my clients have done it. Now, I've got an ebook coming out in a few weeks, which goes through exactly the process I went through to not only get over my ex, but how to get over myself, to overcome those insecurities so that never again would I feel broken after the breakup. So if that interests you, if you're struggling as well and you're looking for that additional support, then hit the link in my description, join the waiting list, grab one of my ebooks. But for now, I'm going to get in because I'm absolutely freezing. Nice one for watching. I'll see you in the next.